read, revise, and get success. Let's start. This is for psychoactive substance use disorders. Physical dependence to drug is indicated by presence of need for increased doses and withdrawal symptoms occur on absence of drug. Dependence is best indicated by withdrawal symptoms and overwhelming involvement in having and seeking substance. Intelligence is not related to etiology of drug dependence. Male started alcohol at age of 20 years, presently taking 3 quarters daily over 30 years. Now complains that he gets the kick in 1 quarter. Diagnosis is reverse tolerance. Two policemen pull over the driver of a car, a 20-year-old man, for speeding. They immediately notice a strong smell of alcohol on his breath and administer a breathalyzer test. According to the instrument, the man's blood alcohol level is 200 milligram per deciliter, but he does not show any typical signs of intoxication. His guide is sturdy, his speech is clear. Explanation for such presentation is development of tolerance to the effect of alcohol. Disulfiram is used as aversion therapy for alcohol. Commonest alcohol withdrawal symptom is tremor. Korsakoff's psychosis is diagnosed by impairment of short-term memory. Characteristic feature of Korsakoff psychosis is amnesia. Marcia-Fava-Vignami syndrome is a complication of alcoholism. Alcoholic hallucinations classically occur in clear consciousness. Wernicke presents with confusion, nystagmus and ataxia. Examination reveals 6 cranial nerve weakness. In alcohol withdrawal, drug of choice for detoxification is chlordiazepoxide. Wittmann's formula is used for blood alcohol content. Morbid jealousy is commonly seen with transient delusions. Alcoholic paranoia characterized with transient delusions. Alcohol dependence is best indicated by withdrawal symptoms. Treatment of opioid overdoses is intravenous naloxone. The non-opioid medication can be used to treat some of the symptoms of opioid withdrawal syndrome is clonidine. Smack is heroin. Rhinorrhea, lacrimation, diarrhea are withdrawal symptoms of heroin. Yawning is a common feature of opioid withdrawal. Acute opioid withdrawal is not characterized by constipation. The drug, which is used for long-term maintenance in opioid addiction, are methadone, buprenorphine. Naltrexone is used in opioid addiction because it prevents relapse. Hemp insanity is due to intake of cannabis. Most active compound in cannabis is delta 9 tetrahydrocannabinol. Active substance in hashish is 9 delta tetrahydrocannabinol. Ran amok is seen with cannabis. Detoxification is not required in withdrawal of LSD. LSD causes flashback phenomena, pupillary dilation, perceptual change in clear consciousness, and may produce panic reaction. Amphetamines may induce a psychosis that is usually confused with or misdiagnosed as paranoid schizophrenia. Tactile hallucinations formation are seen in cocaine. Formication and delusion of persecution are together seen in cocaine psychosis. Blackouts are seen with alcohol intoxication when blood alcohol level are 200 to 300 milligram per deciliter. Ethanol is the primary alcohol ingested by chronic users. The severity of symptoms of alcohol withdrawal syndrome is dictated by a number of factors, the most important of which are degree of alcohol intake, length of time the individual has been using alcohol, and previous history of alcohol withdrawal. Withdrawal seizures occur within 48 hours of alcohol cessations and occur either as a single generalized tonic-clonic seizure, grand mal seizure, or as a brief episode of multiple seizures. Delirium tremens usually occurs 24 to 72 hours after alcohol cessations. Delirium tremens is the most severe form of withdrawal and occurs in 5 to 20% of patients experiencing detoxification and one-third of patients experiencing withdrawal seizures. Now come to disorder of perception. Illusion is a false interpretation of an external stimulus with real existence, while hallucination is a disorder of perception in absence of a real stimulus. Tactile hallucinations like Magnus symptom along with presence of jet black tongue are seen in cocaine addiction. Auditory hallucinations are the most common type of hallucinations and are commonly seen in alcohol abuse, schizophrenia, and amphetamine addiction. Olfactory hallucinations are seen in temporal lobe disorders. In pseudo-hallucinations, sensory organ involvement is absent and they occur in inner subjective space. Synesthesia aka reflex hallucinations are seen in LSD abuse. Hypnopompic and hypnagogic hallucinations are seen in narcolepsy. Unlike hallucinations, delusions are always pathological. Fragmentary delusions are seen in delirium and schizophrenia. Delusions of grandeur, exaltation, aka megalomania is classically seen in mania. Delusion of doubles, aka Capgras delusion is most common in paranoid subtype of schizophrenia. Morbid pathological jealousy, aka Othello syndrome, is classically seen in alcoholism. Ick-Bomb syndrome is the delusion of extensive parasitic infestation. Followed Aka-induced delusion disorder is sharing of delusions between more than or equal to two persons. Delusions are not a part of compulsive disorder and convergent disorder. Schizophrenia and other psychosis. The term dementia precox was coined by Kraepelin. Dementia precox is schizophrenia. Contact with reality is lost in psychosis. Formal thought disorder is present most commonly in hebephrenic schizophrenia. Features of schizophrenia are autism, ambivalence, affective planting, loosening of association, olfactory hallucinations, delusion, automatic obedience, concrete thinking, thought broadcasting. Schizophrenia is a functional disorder. Good prognosis in schizophrenia is indicated by affective symptoms. Personality deterioration is seen in schizophrenia. Schizophrenia occurring in persons with IQ less than 70 is proof of schizophrenia. Catatonic stupor is an indication for ECT in schizophrenia. A 20-year-old boy was alright 2 days back. Since then, he feels that people are abusing him and he complains of hearing faint voices when no one is around. Aggressive behavior since 2 days. He has fever since only 2 days. No past history. When asked, his family says that he has been muttering to self. Diagnosis is acute psychosis or acute transient psychosis disorder. Late onset schizophrenia, onset after 45 years. Lifetime risk of schizophrenia is 0.85%, means 1%. The most frequent period for onset of schizophrenia is adolescence. Dopamine hypothesis was given for the etiology of schizophrenia. Blood of 45-year-old male show increased HbA. This patient is most likely to show schizophrenia. Most common type of postpartum psychosis is depression. Most common side effect of typical antipsychotics is akathisia. Earliest side effect of typical antipsychotics is dystonia, occurring from minutes to hours of drug intake. Delusion disorder. Single non-bizarre delusion and rest all is usually normal. But as per DSM-5, even single bizarre delusion is delusional disorder. Maximum heritability is seen in mania. Symptoms of schizophrenia respond earliest to treatment is auditory hallucinations. Grimacing and mannerism is catatonic schizophrenia. Early onset and bad prognosis is seen in hebephrenic schizophrenia. Drug abuse with symptoms similar like schizophrenia are seen in amphetamine. Schizophrenia with late onset and good prognosis is paranoid schizophrenia. Most common type of schizophrenia is paranoid. Bad prognostic indicator of schizophrenia is family history of schizophrenia. Cialorrhea is adverse effect of clozapine. Akathisia, irresistible urge to move about with inner restlessness. Acute onset and late onset are good prognostic factors for schizophrenia, while insidious onset is poor prognostic factor. Psychological pillow. Raise head without pillow and leave. Patient remains in that position as if pillow is placed below his head. Keep reading. Thank you.